Hi guys, as I said that I have ordered 11 things. Well, something has just come, one of them things. I already have 3 of those things and I can actually remember everything. And here is one of them. They are squishies. This is a 5-pack and I can actually not wait to get this open. But I'm going to be telling you the things that still need to come. I still need to get 2 packs of fishbowl beads, multicoloured and a really nice pink. I've still got 2 packs of flown beads to come. I've still got 20 tubs to come, and I've still got some fruit bowls. Then I still got a donut squishy to come. Have I already said donut squishy? 2 packs of fishbowl beads, 2 packs of foam beads, 20 tubs, that's 5. And to actually add everything up, then I got 5 packs of squishies, 2, I've literally forgot everything guys. But anyway, I got these off Amazon and it says in the corner, if you look at the packaging, slow rising. I do not know if that is true. As you can tell, I have not opened it in any way. And it says in the back, they are scented. Ooh, they are scented, guys. Because when you go through the hole here, they smell of coconut. Sorry guys, I'm just really excited. So it looks like I got a little tiny toast cat, a panda, got a banana, a love heart shaped donut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a fish. Which I'm not really so keen looking on the fish, but these are them all. Fish, love heart donut, banana, a kitty toast, and a big one. It's not that big, but they are actually, oh, they are slow rising. I'm just squishing them in the packet because they're so pretty. But yeah. It says in the corner, slow rising. I didn't even notice this. It actually says that they're scented. So yeah, they are scented. And then I'm just going to take this off so I can read what's underneath it. Oh, I can still smell it from here and it's super gorgeous. Oops. Yeah, that's one. Oh, wait. Shengli Arts and Crafts. Oh, what is this? Right, guys. Wait, let's read the caution on the back. Okay, caution. This product is not food. Please do not eat. This product was created and produced by Shengli. This product isn't recommended for children under 6 years old. Good job, I'm over 6 years old. Good job, I'm over 10 years old. Good job, I'm over 11 years old. I'm 12, guys. I'm 12. Okay, guys, I just really can't wait. Let's just get this thing open. Like, where do I even start? I'm going to open it at the bottom. Ooh. Just a whole pack of scents. They're all in. Oh, that's so cute. You've got keychains to hang them on your bag, your school bag. Okay, they're all coming with these bags here. And here's a cat one I was talking about. That is really surprising. Here is the fish. I'm gonna I know this is really sad, not sad, but I'm gonna call my fish Ginger, seeing as it is like a ginger colour. Okay. Oh, this should actually scent a banana. Oh, this one's kind of open. Let's get it close. Okay, but here's a banana. That is really slow rising. Last one. Oh. Yeah, this is not. Yeah, I'm not so keen on this right now. All of the bead things have like fallen off on the other side and they're literally just floating at the bottom in the packet. So I'm not really so keen on that. So wait. And I'm not really happy with how they've come because